No, you don't want to be in the front. The smart people would be hiding indoors right now behind the glass there.
Why? So they get glass in their face?
I'm pretty sure a plastic bottle full of liquid nitrogen won't blow the glass up unless it's contained.
Tanner, you're in my way.
Tanner, you're in my shot.
Get
You're not
over
the
it.
star of this video.
I'm ready for this.
Oh, it's so cold.
So tired.
I need somebody to hold this.
Tanner's experienced.
Man, I think it'll be worthwhile for Tanner to
Good idea, Tanner. Good idea. No, don't give him protective wear.
When he says
boo.
run, don't be stupid and stay.
Don't be a hero, Tanner.
Or feel free to. It'll make it all the more exciting.
So he gives him protective wear. I'm so excited.
Oh, why did my camera stop?
Sacrifice.
Stop it.
Good luck, Tanner.
Tanner, we'll miss you.
Everybody's got their phones out.
Uh-oh.
It's really cool.
Oh man.
Jeremy, like, so if I miss it.
Boring. Boring.
You recording this?
Poor Tanner.
Is it recording, Doug?
Yes, it's a minute and a half long. So, Jesus.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Tanner's holding the bottle.
No, Tanner. Tanner, just when he screws it on, just stand there. You have no reason to run. You have 15 seconds. You have to dive when it blows up for the action sequence. You gotta time it good, Tanner. We'll tell you when to dive.
Everyone's videotaping.
So?
This is gonna be awesome.
Look out, Tanner, look out.
Good job,
Music
Tanner.
does the
Good
human
job.
meat shield.
Good job.
It is cold.
Doug, you're the human meat shield.
Okay.
You wanted a good camera angle. Drew, you're just standing there using Tanner and Doug as human meat shield.
Oh, shoot.
Run,
oh,
run,
shoot.
run.
He's not messing around.
Never seen Mr. Earhart move so fast.
Yeah.
Do it again. Do it again.
That was so fun.